Hello everyone, in this video we are going to see about the simple average method for calculating the price. So here let me solve one problem. So here the problem is given that the following particulars have been extracted in respect of material X. Prepare ledger account showing their receipts and issues, pricing the material issued on the basis of simple average method. So here it was given on the receipts 3rd October purchase 500 units at rupees 4 per unit, and on 5th October it was issued 400 units, and 13th October purchase 900 units at rupees 4.30 per unit, that is 4 rupees 30 paise per unit, and on 15th October issued for 100 units, and on 23rd October purchased 600 units at rupees 380 paise per unit, and on 25th October issued. Okay, now let me see how to solve this problem. So as usual, we all know how to prepare the statements, this column, date, receipts, issues and balance, as usual how we did in our first in first out and also in our last in first out method. So here directly we move to the question. So here on 3rd October it was given that the 500 units as receipt at the rate of rupees 4, it is 2000. So we can directly record in our balance column also. So next entry, see, on 5th October it was given that in 5th October the issue is 400 units. So in which amount we are going to issue this quantity? See here we are having only, in the balance column we are having only 4 as our rate. So there is no other go to issue in any other price, So directly we can issue the 400 units in rate of rupees 4. So it is 1600. So by deducting the 400 units from this 500, we will get 100 units as our balance, and also from 2000 we are going to deduct our 1600 amount, we will get 400 as our balance amount. So next, in the next day we are having as our next entry, we are having 13th October. On 13th October, there is an receipt of 900 units at the rate of 4 rupees 30 paise. So we have directly written here. So by multiplying this, we get the answer 3870. We get the answer 3870. So we can gently record this entries in our balance column also. 1000 units and also 400 plus 3870 is 4270. Okay, right. Now we are in the place of issue. So here on 15th October it was given in our question, on 15th October we have to issue 600 units. So it is available, yeah, it is, we are having sufficient unit quantity. We are having 1000 quantity. So we can issue 600 units, but we are having a doubt which amount we have to issue. See here we are having two rates. We are having the quantity of two rates. Here one is 4.30 and another one is at rupees 4. Here is a formula for calculating the issue price. The issue price is equal to total of unit prices of materials in stock divided by number of prices. So by using this formula we can calculate the rate which we want to issue. So now we are going to calculate the issue price. The issue price, we are having two rate. One is rupees 4 and the another rate is rupees 4 rupees 30 paise. Right. So now we are going to add these two and divided by 2. We get the answer as rupees 4.15. It is 4 rupees 15 paise. So now we are clear that we are going to issue that 600 units at the rate of rupees 4 rupees and 15 paise. So we get the amount 4 rupees 15 paise. So as usual we are going to multiply these 600 into 4 rupees 15 paise. We will get 2490. So now we can deduct this 600 units from this 1000 units. We will get the remaining answer as 400 units. We are having our balance units as 400 units and the rate is, and the amount we are having is 1780. We are having the balance amount as 1780. Now see here on 23rd October we are having 600 units as our receipts at the rate of 3 rupees and 80 paise. Just we are going to multiply these two and we will put the answer here as 2280. 2280. Now we are going to record this transaction, 23rd transaction, in the balance column. So we are going to add this 600 units along with this 400 units and also the amount 2280 with rupees 1780. Finally, we will get 4060. 4060. In the next date, we are having on 25th October, we are having issue. We are going to issue the same 600 units. As usual, how we did in the 15th October, we are going to do on 25th October that we are going to issue the 600 units and we are going to calculate the rate. We are going to calculate the rate, in which rate we are going to issue. Okay, now let me calculate the rate which we have to issue. We are having two rates. One is rupees 4.30 and plus rupees 3.80. By adding these two and by divided by 2, we will get the answer as 4 rupees 5 paise. So we are going to issue the units at this rate only. We have calculated that rate. So now we are going to issue according to that rate. So we are going to issue at the 600 units at rupees 4.5 paise. We will get the amount as 2430. By deducting this 600 from that 1000, by deducting this 600 from this 1000, we will get our final quantity as 400 units. We will get our final quantity as 400 units and the amount we are having at the balance is 1630. We have deducted this 2430 from this 4060, right? So our closing stock is 400 units. So finally we have to write our closing stock. Our closing stock is 400 units.